Discover the vibrant world of parrots, nature's most colorful conversationalists. These feathered friends are known for their intelligence and distinctive personalities. From the tiny budgie to the large macaw, parrots come in various sizes and colors. Their radiant plumage paints a vivid tableau that rivals the rainbow. Parrots are famous for their ability to mimic human speech, making them captivating companions. Their playful demeanor and social nature only add to their charm. They thrive on a diet of seeds, fruits, and nuts, reflecting their tropical origins. A well-cared-for parrot can live for several decades, providing lifelong companionship. Parrots are more than just pretty birds. They are intelligent, social, and full of charisma, embodying nature's delightful surprises.